Hello, I'm Kristen with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Flaaffy. So in your craft packet, you will have a little picture of Flaaffy that we need to color and cut out. You will also have a foam heart that is a sticker, and a blank piece of construction paper. So the first thing you need to do is just color in your Flaaffy and then cut out just around the outside lines. And then I will show you how to turn all this into a Flaaffy pop-up card. So once we have our Flaaffy colored and cut out, we're going to take our big piece of cardstock and fold it in half to make the card. And then you can go ahead and decorate the front however you would like to. And then on the inside, we're going to take our little Flaaffy and we're going to take our little foam heart and take that sticker back off of the heart. We're going to stick it right down here in Flaaffy's hands so that Flaaffy is holding the little heart. And then we're going to grab our leftover white paper that Flaaffy was in, and we're going to cut off a strip. And then we're going to fold that strip about in thirds, but we're going to fold one side over towards the front and then one side over towards the back. So when we open it up, it'll make a little Z shape. Now we're going to fold Flaaffy's feet up. And these are going to be the part that we will glue to our card so that Flaaffy can stand up. So just fold both feet up just a little bit, and then we'll grab our glue and stick some glue right on those little feet. And then pick where about you would like Flaaffy to be on your card. One way that I think is probably the easiest to do it is just to kind of lay Flaaffy down, face down, so that we see where we want Flaaffy's head to be. Do you want it to stick out a little bit? Do you want it to stay in? And then put the feet down right there so that we can still see this is right where we want it to be. But basically, you just put it a little ways up from the back so that it will pop out. So then you can go ahead and press your Flaaffy down and grab our little folded paper. We're going to put some glue on one side on one of the thirds. We're going to put that right in the middle of Flaaffy's back. Then we're going to press it back down so that it's folded in thirds again. So and then we'll put glue right on the back there. And then close your card and press down where you can feel that paper is, so that when we open our card back up, Flaaffy will pop up. when you lay it down, it'll be flat. When you open it back up, ta-da! And then you can decorate the inside however you would like as well. So I'm just going to write Flaaffy Valentine's Day. But you can design it however you would like, and then you have a little Flaaffy Valentine's Day pop-up card, or if you don't want it to be a Valentine's Day card, you can still decorate it however you want to be, just a regular pop-up card. And that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon.